Hello everyone, my name is Fasayo and here are the world cultural events and celebrations for the week of March 30th to April 5th. Sunday, March 30th is Chaitra, Sukladi, and Ugadi, both Hindu holidays that celebrate the belief that the supreme god Brahma created the universe on this day and marks the start of the Hindu calendar year and the onset of spring. Gudi Padwa, another Hindu holiday also celebrated on March 30th, signifies the start of the Chaitra month and the harvest season, while also commemorating the creation of the universe by Lord Brahma. Monday, March 31st is the tentative day of Eid al-Fitr, a Muslim holiday marking the end of Ramadan. Tuesday, April 1st is April Fool's Day, a day celebrated with pranks, jokes, and lighthearted fun. Thursday, April 3rd is the Pharaoh's Golden Parade. On this day, 22 royal mummies were transported through the streets of Cairo in a grand ceremonial procession. The parade highlights Egypt's ancient history, showcasing the magnificence of its past kings and queens. It is also Dario's birthday. Finally, on April 4th, the first quarter of the moon can be seen at 10:15 p.m. The first quarter symbolizes a time of action, decisions, and commitment. Be sure to look out for it. And that's it for the world cultural events and celebrations. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe on our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Fasayo, and I'll see you next time.